What's up, everybody? This is Benji from Stock Hours, back with another trading recap video. Today I'm going to be going over another live trade on Tesla here. I caught the 935 break all the way up to 947. I'm going to go over why I took this trade, what I was looking at, while I was in the trade, etc. So let's get into it. To start, we had this nice 4-hour downtrend on Tesla. It's a downward channel. I was looking for the break of this, and then you can see we made a double top here at 937. The high of this candle was 937, and then the high of this one was 936.50. And you can see the high of pre-market here was 935. I used that as my entry. Had some crazy momentum. We pushed all the way through 937 to 940, and then we broke 945, and then I sold on the 947 break. So let's get into it. I'll show the live trade. To start, I'll go ahead and show you guys the 5-minute here. Get a little zoom in. You can see the double top. We pushed all the way up. Can even show you guys the 1-minute here. Alright, so let's see. You can see we literally pushed all the way up. We broke it through 935. We had a little bull flag, broke 940 all the way up to 947. Alright, so just to show you guys the bigger picture, we have this consolidation here, and we haven't closed above 945 yet. So that's the next thing I'm looking at on Tesla here. But let's go ahead and get into the live trade here. Let's see. Alright, let's go ahead and fast forward. Alright, let's go back. Alright, so right here. So you can see, this is my trading screen. I have 2 contracts for the 950 calls loaded up. This is the level 2 for the contracts. They're at $21.70, $2,170, and we have the level 2 for the stock right here. You'll be able to see my orders down here at the bottom and on Book Trader. Alright, so my plan was to sell one contract on the 940 break, and then I sold the other one on the 945. And the reason I did this was to allow myself to have some profit to be able to scale out. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So you can see we fell all the way down to 918 here. We bounced, we wicked really hard, we came back down, and the buyer stepped in really strong here and pushed it all the way up to 932. I actually almost used 933 as my entry here. Let's just see. So you can see this starts to get momentum here in this next candle. This flips red to green up into 933, and then we push to 935 and I get in. So you can see my fill price for my 2 contracts is 23.08. Alright, and we're pushing all the way up right here. We're at 938.46. I get some crazy IB pop-ups, not really know what the hell is going on. My contracts got switched and everything, but I stayed calm and everything. I'm just staying patient for Tesla. I'm getting my sell orders ready. I got this set to 1 contract, or I set one of these to 1 contract to get ready to sell my one. You can see we just made the high at 940. Here I just changed it and we broke. I took my profit for my 1 contract and made $202. That gave me a little bit of leeway here to stay in my position, okay? So these contracts are at 25 right now, 25.30. So I mean, this trade really just took a lot of patience here. I was reading NQ. I need to figure out a way to get NQ on the screen as well for you guys. But this really just took a lot of patience. The buyers were strong here. It really didn't give any type of reasons to get out of this trade. So you can see they're buying it back up. I was actually going to use 936, 935 as my stop loss here on this trade for my 1 contract, and I still would have made about $150, $100 as that being my stop loss. So these contracts were holding up really well. You can see they're at 24.35, and my buy was 23. So I'm just staying patient here. And, this is probably one of my best trades ever, to be honest, as far as holding it and reading the tape and staying patient. So here we are, we're bullflagging here, we're pushing up into the high of 941. We break all the way up, we're pushing, we hit 944. These contracts are at 27 basically a contract. I'm just staying patient. We make a high of 944.90. And I'm pretty sure I set a sell here at 28. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna use that as my sell price. Then I'm noticing how strong these contracts are moving. They're at like 27.70. End up canceling that and just staying patient, honestly, here. So I ended up just waiting. You can see I had the sell order at 28. I'm like, you know what? Screw that. I'm sticking to my plan. My plan's all that matters here. We made the high at 945. I'm green nice. There's no real reason to get out of this. My stop loss is set at 936. I'll still be green there. And you see we break 945. We push to 947. We break 947 and I'm out and make $792 profit. And I executed that really well. So, like I said, I got in here at 935. Scaled out at 940 and rode the rest all the way up to 947. So guys, that was probably one of my best holds in reading of the tape to date. And this is how every trade should be. It should be black and white, sticking to the plan. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. You can see I sold these contracts or the last contract at 29. Made 30% on that contract, $600 a contract, just about. And yeah, you know, the only thing I could have did better here would maybe have gone in a little bit heavier. I was really thinking about doing 3 or 4 contracts and scaling out with, you know, half of my position at 940 and the other half at 945. I would have made a lot more, but I'm really happy with my execution with the small size and everything. Something else that I can say that's like really helped me to be able to stick to my plan is taking the P&L off here. Yeah, you can kind of see it fluctuating here, but that's on my other monitor. And, you know, I just have the percent there, so I can just see the percent I'm up or down. And, you know, I'm just trying to use that in the contract price and be as black as white as possible. So, that being said, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.